Looking for wall art that's simple yet eye-catchy? I'm Gracie with WTI, and this piece from Ocevarin was the last finishing touch I needed for my bedroom. This is the 48 by 24 inch size over my king size bed, and I am totally obsessed with how this looks in my room. I love the combination of the soft neutral background with these gorgeous gold circles. It has that modern feel, and the gold just adds that touch of warmth and subtle shimmer that I was looking for. So from a distance, it looks like it may have a 3D texture to it, but it's made out of a thick canvas paper stapled to a wooden frame. It's nice and sturdy, and it was super easy to install. It comes with these mounting hooks that you gently hammer into the wall, and the two metal brackets on the back of the frame slide over this little lip. This instantly added so much life to our room and made it feel way more cozy. This is one of those pieces that's simple and easy to work into any decor style that you may have, and that's my point of view.